This is the VSGO electronic air blower. It comes nicely packaged with the air blower, which also sits on this 1200 milliamp hour rechargeable battery, and you also get the USB-C cable to charge it. It comes with a filter and some other attachments to be able to sweep it and clean it a little bit more thoroughly. When it's all attached, you can see just how portable and compact this is. Perfect for on-the-go photography and videography to keep the dust out of your lenses and gear. It is super powerful at 100,000 revolutions per minute, getting speeds up to 75 miles per hour. The design of this thing looks amazing. It's really sleek. It has this trigger to point and press for blowing, a 36 lux LED light to help inspect for dust in low light conditions, and some light indicators to let you know which mode you're in, and there are a few of them, but also it's equipped with a continuous air blowing mode. And the built-in 1200 milliamp hour battery gives you approximately 60 minutes of cleaning in mode 1. It has a 5-axis precision carved all metal large fan blade to significantly increase the amount of air output. It's really sleek, it's really powerful, and I highly recommend it, and thanks for watching.